In my last video, I walked you through step-by-step process on how to set up PayPal accounts here in Nigeria or any other restricted country. And I want to believe by now everybody have his or her own PayPal account that is ready for use to receive money from anywhere in the world. In today's video, I want to walk you through some process that you can use to make money to your PayPal accounts from anywhere with just your smartphone and your laptop computer. Most of these days is being done on laptop, but then there are some that you can still do on your phone, right? So let's dive in. And what we want to do today is we want to become a beta tester. So we want to test websites that are yet to be launched and apps that are yet to be launched. So we want to give review about them. We want to detect the bugs in there, and that's what we want to exchange for money today, right? Let's dive in and let me walk you through the process. Okay, right here, guys. The very first thing we need to do is we need to add an extension to our Chrome browser because it's going to be a little tricky and we might not get access to all of these websites if we go straight. So we want to use a switch, which is the first thing we want to do now. So on my screen now, you can see I will just click here and click on add. I will search rather add Windscribe to Chrome. We are going to use Windscribe because it's a free proxy and we want to use the proxy and ad blocker to bypass whatever thing we want to do right here. So right now, my Windscribe is installing and in few sec it's going to be done and we are good to go. So but then I'm going to walk you through not just one website, not just two. I'm going to walk you through like 5 to 6 websites that we are going to be a paid beta tester on, and we are going to make money to our PayPal account doing this. So I want you to pay close attention to this video and make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification, and now our Windscribe is done. So let's get that done. So right here, all I'm going to do is to pin this to my tab right here, and I'm going to click on it. So it's going to say get started. We are going to click on free. So we are going to register an account, which I'm going to use Black Azula Academy for, and a password. I'm going to do that, and the password again, and email. So I'm going to leave it like that. So you click on create accounts. It said password doesn't match, so that means I overpress that. So I click next. Are you not a robot? So yes, 7V4V6. So now our account is ready. Right? You are trying to make a payment too quick. Please do I want to try your first service. So let's check. Okay, we have our account now. So I'm just going to click confirm. So now our email is confirmed, and right here we are going to log into our accounts. So I'm going to click login here, and you're going to put that in, then your password. So then login, and in few sec it's going to take us in, and we have our dashboard like this. So all you need to do from this place is to skip this, and right here you click on maybe US Insta or anywhere or East, anywhere of your choice. But me, I like New York Empire. So if I click on that, it's going to connect me to New York Empire. All I need to do now is to get started and walk you through all these websites one after the other. So now the very first one we are going to use is called Validately. Validately is a website I've used by user testing before. So now all I'm going to do, because I just had that extension, I'm going to refresh this. And once this is done, I'm going to click on register here. So once I click on register, it says get paid to test. So now I'm going to check mark that and paste in my email address. Then I click on get started. So in few sec, it's going to load up, and you can see now sign up to take tests. Sign up to take tests. So right here, I'm going to click on next, and your first name, which is I'm going to use my name and my last name right here. Then I'm going to use Plakozula Academy as my username. And I'm going to put password, right? Now, it's asking for zip code. How do you get that? Come over to Google and type in. Make sure, I connect my WinScribe to New York Empire. So I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to type in zip code in New York Empire State. So I'm just going to put out and I can see 1001. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use 1001. Then I'm going to click on next. And from here, you are going to see, okay, so here is confirming and I'm going to save my password and I'm going to continue. Right? So once I hit continue, it's going to load up. It said I should confirm my mail. So if I come over to my email inbox right here, I can see it right here. All I need to do is to copy this email and I copied the link. So I come over right here and I paste it to this browser and in a few seconds, it said the email address is confirmed. So return to your account. So I'm just going to click this place and it's going to redirect me to my dashboard. It said set up payments method, which is our PayPal. So I'm going to click on that. Click on this and connect PayPal. So if I connect this straight to my PayPal account, so you can see it's redirecting me to PayPal already. So and now I'm just going to agree. And you can see you are now leaving PayPal. PayPal won't ask you for anything. And you can see my PayPal account is not verified, and that is because I've not connect bank or card to it. That's why it's not verified. We need to connect. But then let's continue and create profile. That's why I said you should go to UBA Bank in that PayPal course. If you have not watched that PayPal course on how to set up your PayPal account, the video is showing right here. So you can make sure you watch it and create your PayPal account. Go to UBA Bank, get your Naira prepaid card from there, link it to your PayPal account, and you can verify it, or sign up on Gray or GigPay as I've showed you. Connect the account to your PayPal, and from there your account should be verified. For this sake, I don't have any my own PayPal account has been connected to one of the user testing accounts before, so I'm not going to use that for my own sake, but I just want to show you how to set this up. So right here, you just click on this, you create profile. So right here, this is where you tell them everything about yourself. Just make sure. So let's see if I can walk you through that. So right here, your birth year. So I was born in 2001. So I'm a male. Then leave the United States because that's what, and leave this zip code, this household. Select it to that. No. Then this, and just leave it to self-employed. And industry, you are going to look for IT. Don't forget IT. You are looking for IT or tech information service. Yes. So company side, I'm going to choose that job role. Let's see, information technology, job level. I'm the owner. So right here, your web browser, I'm going to choose all of these. My social media, I use all of these. I'm going to choose advanced right here. So let's just choose everything because we don't care what they want to give to us. I'm comfortable in English and I have idea of Spanish, Mac, my Android, and also right here, game console, TV, and I have everything. So I'm just going to click set profile. So next on the list is take a practice test, which once you approve, you can take free and earn money. So make sure you connect your account after it's verified and take the practice test. That's the number one. Then the number two is use analytics. So I'm just going to refresh this again and we are going to get started. And the very first thing right here is to click on get paid to test. So once you click on that, you are going to input your email address. I'm going to input this email address, then I'm order and I will submit. So in short, they are going to send me a message ASAP. ASAP. You say, okay, these people said verify your accounts. So I'm going to do that later. But for now, let me continue with this. I'm going to click on that and verify this account. So right here, I'm going to choose. So I'm going to add Ezekiel not to track my previous one at that accounts. I mean, my real account on this website. So I'm going to select 2001 here again. Okay, 2001 February. I was born this day. So I'm going to put PayPal address, and I'm going to put I'm going to insert a password, right? And now I'm going to click I accept, and I continue. So once this is done, you are going to be redirected to your dashboard where you can set up all the details they will be asking you. And with that, you are good to go. As you can see right here, they say I should verify my territory, which I'm going to choose United States, and I'm going to verify country. So we have detected that you have an active VPN. Please disable it. So like this, we are caught. But then you are going to choose Nigeria, nothing spoil, you are good to go. So assuming is when they still have auto detect, that one is very, very easy. So you are going to choose Nigeria. Or even really, we can just turn this off a little. And let's try again. Let's try United States, verify. You can see we've fully verified our accounts to be United States. So with that, we will turn this back on. So we turn that back on. I'm just going to log in to my accounts. So right here, I have my dashboard. Then let's do this. So you are going to select all the languages you can speak right here, or you think you can. So you can see my PayPal email and everything is well set. So advanced smartphone, I use Android, I use Windows, and I use almost all of these. All right. So yeah, education, I'm a graduate. Then currency USD, I'm going to select 25 to 50,000. All right, here, self-employed and business owner. So the next one right here, which is this, I'm single and my mother tongue is English. You know, we are in United States, right? So I'm going to choose advanced, and I'm going to choose self-employed industry. I'm going to choose IT, don't forget, information technology. Then I'm going to choose that here again. Seniority, I'm going to choose owner. And company size, I'm going to choose 2 to 10. And FPT, I'm an African, right? Black, so I'm Christian. So all you need to do now is to click on this. You refresh this page and you come over to here, test invitation. As you can see, you don't have any test, but they will send you email almost every time you have a test, right? So that's how this works. So you can see your balance right here, and this your account is fully ready for job. And the next website right here is text.io. All you need to do right here again is to click on become a tester, and now you click on become a tester right here. So once you click on become a tester, it's going to give you a form to sign up. So you can just put in your email and you create accounts. I don't just want this video to get long that much. So once you register your account, fill in your profile, it's still the exact same thing. So and the next one right here is user fee. All you need to do right here is get paid to test again. And then you have this place you can earn from $3 to $30 per test, right? So you can see most tests are 20 minutes where you earn $10, and it's just something basically simple. And right here, you just click on start testing right here. So once you click on start testing, you're going to fill in this form and make sure your country is always in the United States for job offer, right? So for job offer, it's very, very advisable to keep your profile in United States. So then the next one is user pick. All you need to do now is to get paid to test again, and you click on register now. So it's just something simple. The last one, but not the least, that I'm going to show you that is the best and the fastest way to get paid quickly, aside all of this, is called Fiverr. Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com. So it's asking us to for this, so I'm just going to click on press and hold for this to load up. And once this is done, basically, it's going to redirect us to our own page. But I want to show you the possibilities that people are making money on Fiverr with beta testing, right? So I'm going to show you that now, and I'm going to show you how to go about it. So the very first thing you need to do is to come over right here, and let me show you beta tester. So if I search beta tester, you can see only 120 people are doing this, and see the amounts they are charging. This person is charging $15, $10, $10. You can see the ratings and the jobs. You can see it right there. You can see it there. You can see it there. So now all you need to do is to come over to this website called Fiverr.com, sign up an account, list out your service as a beta tester, and charge them any amount you think you can charge, but reasonable amounts like $10, $15 for starts. And over the time, you can switch it over to like 20, 25, 30, 65. So it depends on your choice and the time of the job. And you can see this person charging $35 for starts, and this person $40, $45. So I advise you start little with $5, $10 to $15, and over the time you can have packages and you can scale it up to any amount of your choice. So, but lately Fiverr has been restricting seller accounts because they don't allow any new seller. If you want me to record a video about how to set up Fiverr accounts in another country or in everywhere in the world and you get approved, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and drop the comments like Fiverr accounts creation, and I'm going to create that video as soon as I can, and I'm going to publish it on here for you guys to watch. Just make sure you keep updated with the link in the description below that leads you to my WhatsApp community, where I share updates and we get to chat one-on-one, answer your question. Like before I come over to YouTube to answer the comment section, I will have answered that in the community already, and that's when I drop almost of the updates that is text and it's not basic video like this. So make sure you join the community with the link in the description below. Also, subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friend that you want to make money online with together with. Like this video, and I will see you in the other one.